Hi everybody, it is Julie. Welcome back to Nobody's Beauty Guru. Today I'm here with an introduction to a project pan that I am so excited about. I have my cheat sheet in front of me. This one was created by Amanda from Makeup Junkie 80 on Instagram, and Jessica from Beauty and Baseball on Instagram and on YouTube, although she may be changing her channel name, as well as Jana at 20-something messes on Instagram. So those are the creators. I will have the creators as well as everybody else participating in this particular collab listed down below, so definitely go and check them out. This project is about either dropping 10 pounds and 10 products or just 10 products. I'm dropping 10 products. If the weight comes off, great, but it's not something that I actively work on right now. I will just be doing the makeup side of this, and I have a couple of different goals. I think the majority of these I probably want to get rid of completely. So let's jump right into it. I have some that are like categories of things. I have a ton of samples, guys, and I have to start getting rid of them. So I will be doing my best to try to get rid of some of these. Let's start off with the solo items. First up is my Bite Beauty sample lipstick in Rhubarb. This is what is on my lips today, and I love it. I've only worn it like a couple of times, so there's still a good bit left. It is just a sample. This one in 3 months, hopefully I can get done it. We're gonna see. I will be marking everything on paper when I'm done with this, although this is the only thing that I can mark on paper. The rest I'm gonna have to mark on the bottles. I also have a Taylor Swift perfume in Wonderstruck. This has never been used, so there's nowhere to mark this. It's all the way up at the top. It's a roller ball. I'm hoping I can get through this pretty quickly, but I like to try to put perfumes into everything because I really don't use them otherwise. Then I have this SK2 facial treatment essence. I believe this is a toner. It's a skin balancing essence. I'm assuming it's a toner. It is brand new, haven't used it yet, so I will be using this and hopefully using that up. So that's 3 items. Number 4 is my NYX Dewy Setting Spray. Probably right around here. I haven't marked it because, again, this is like not a bottle you can see through. I don't really know. I've only used it a handful of times, so I will be using that. I also just opened this on the 18th of this month. I opened this mascara. This is the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. Okay, so I've been like searching for my holy grail mascara. I really hoped this would be it. I don't think it is. You can build it up a little bit, but this gives me not as much length as I want. It gives me volume. It's really black, but it doesn't necessarily give me the length I hope for. I'm going to try it with some primers and see if I like it better. But either way, by the end of June, this is going to have to go in the trash. So my goal is to use this every day and try to use that up. I also have a moisture product because you guys know I'm horrible about body lotions. This one I can see through. And this is where I am right now. So I will be hopefully using this bad boy up. Last night I used my coconut oil that I have been trying to use in my 26, my A to Z. I used the coconut all over my body, and then I slept in a black tank top and black pajama pants and woke up to black sheets because the oil leached into my clothes and the dye came off all over my sheets. Not great. So hopefully this one does better. Then I have the Algenist Reveal Concentrated Luminizing Drops. This one has like a measuring thing on the side. There's like little lines where this can be measured. So hopefully by the next time, I'm gonna let this sit so I can measure it and then I will be using it. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous product. I will swatch it for you. It does come with a dropper, but the dropper part doesn't work at all. So this is what it looks like. And they are very, very luminous. It is very pretty. So that is it on the back of my hands. I have been mixing this in with my moisturizer or my primer. Right now I'm using the Hangover RX, trying to get rid of that. So I just mix some of those in with the Hangover RX and use that all over my skin and then just powder over that. So that's why my face is like very, very dewy, because I use that. Not mad at it, guys. So hopefully I can have that sit straight for a little while and get some progress on them. I have 3 more to go and they're each categories. So I have a face mask category, and for that I have a whole bunch of samples. I have a passe, I don't know how to say this. This is a hydrating mask, 1 ounce sample. I need to use that. I have a rose face mask from Fresh, Ole Hendrickson Truth Sugar Glow Polishing Mask. I have a purifying, deep cleansing, detoxifying treatment from Tata Harper. Again, these are all samples that I've acquired. I have a Carez Advanced Rose Wild Rose Advanced Brightening Sleeping Facial Mask. I have a Hey Honey Take It Off Exfoliating Honey Peel Off Mask. So those are all the like mask samples that I want to get through, and hopefully in this 3 months I can use as many of those as possible. We're gonna see what I can work through. I have not been using face masks at all, so I'm hoping this motivates me to really move some of these samples out of my collection because they're really, really annoying. And I haven't even tried them to know if I like them or not. So if I don't like them, I'll just move them out of the collection and move on to something else that I do like. But I don't even know because I haven't even tried them. So that's my goal. Then I have some cleansers. I have this Vasanti Brighten Up Exfoliating Cleanser. I have a Carez Greek Yogurt 3-in-1 Cleansing Emulsion. I'm gonna try that out. Pores No More Dr. Brandt Cleanser. And I have a Juice Beauty Cleansing Milk. Also, we're gonna try that one. So I wanna move those cleansers out of my collection. I have a Pink Peony Overnight Mask as well from the Estee Edit by Estee Lauder. So that goes in my mask section. All right, so then I have more samples, and these are exfoliators or peels. So not cleansers. There is an exfoliating cleanser. These are just exfoliators or like peels. So this is a daily exfoliating clarifying treatment from Tata Harper. Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Skin Exfoliant. I have a Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion Pore Perfecting Exfoliator. I have a Nuxie, I don't know. Gentle Exfoliating Gel with Rose Petals. We'll see. Skin Ink Pure Revival Peel. It gets rid of dullness and dead skin. Okay. I have an Amore Pacific Treatment Enzyme Peel. I also have a Real Chemistry Luminous 3-minute peel for instantly smoother, brighter, softer skin. This is a lot to try on my skin in a short amount of time, in 3 months, but I have not been using it. I have not been reaching for it. So I have all of them in this BH Cosmetics bag, and I'm gonna throw them all in here, pull from these every night to exfoliate, to cleanse, to do whatever. So this thing is jam-packed to the top of samples that I want to use in the next 3 months, and hopefully get some progress on all of those and report back to you guys every month and let you know what works for me, what doesn't work for me. So that has been my Drop 10 Before Summer intro. Guys, I really, really hope to be successful during this Project Pan. I loved doing this last year with all of these ladies. So again, I will have Jana, Amanda, and Jessica listed down below, as well as everybody else participating. I hope you guys will join in with us. There's plenty of time, so definitely climb on board if you want to, and hopefully I can finish these 10 products / categories before summer starts. That's the goal. So let me know if you guys like this video by giving me a big old thumbs up. If you would, I'd love if you would subscribe before you leave. Click that little notification bell so that you know when I post new videos, and I will see all of you in my next one. Bye guys.